Hello dear friends, today me and Alex will show you how to adjust the choker necklace. Here you see he makes a knot like this, very tight. It must be very accurate and little. And the second one, because we have two ends of the leather cord. Here it is. Then you see how the button moves till the nodes. Then we take the scissors and cut the ends because we don't need them, and then we push the button into the hole so the necklace can be adjustable like this. Then you can pull out the button. It was the first variant of using, and now we will show you the second variant. We take the leather cord, put it into the hole and make a knot to adjust. The first and the other one for better fixation, like this. Very tight. Then we cut the end. Then we take the button and measure the length needed. Then we tie the node. Very tight, small accurate node.
Oh.
Then we cut the end. And all the same, thanks for watching.